How to fix Instagram if it's not working properly on your iPhone. Whether it's crashing, not loading, or you're having trouble with stories or messages, this step-by-step guide will help you get things running again. Let's get started. First, we'll try the simplest fix for quitting the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold until you see all your open apps. Find Instagram, then swipe it up to close it completely. Now reopen it and see if that helped. If that didn't work, the next step is to check for updates. Go to the App Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and scroll down to see if Instagram has an update available. If it does, tap Update and wait for it to finish. Still not working? Try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and the volume button together until you see the slider. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Simple, but often effective. Instagram needs a stable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have strong mobile data. You can also try turning airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.